My name is Teacher Hannah, and welcome to my classroom. I would like to take a minute and just share with you what I've done in the last few weeks to change my classroom. I changed my classroom like once a contract. So I've had a lot of different things, and I changed it a little bit here and there. So this used to be my classroom. You can see that there are a lot of different elements in there, lots of color, which I do like, and I kept the white background. And so recently I simplified and went simple and clean. And so I still have these 3 cardboard cutouts, which I love, from the Target Dollar Spot. I did a hand lettering sign of my name and the VIP Kid logo. I have a welcome sign that can light up. I have Dino Meg Mike's here too. And then just a string of colored little pom-pom balls. So this is my classroom. Welcome, and I hope you enjoy it.